Hello friends, welcome to another video, and in this video we will see one more advanced coding question of TCS NQT. And I have already uploaded all the advanced coding question asked by TCS in August 2022. So go to the playlist, link is there in the description box. Go there and try to solve all the coding question. And you will get the code of all question in C++, also Java and Python. All the three languages you will get. So whatever language you are good in, go there, practice it. Okay, so but for now we will solve one more question, and it was asked in one of the slot. So we will see how to do this, and here we will discuss the code in Java, and I have already uploaded the same question with Python also and C++ code also. So whichever language you are familiar with, you can go through that video. Okay, so let us see how to solve this one. So this question is, you are given an array A containing n positive integers, and the task is to find the number of pairs I comma j such that j should be greater than I and ai plus aj should be greater than equals to ai into aj, and this is the input given. So let me make you understand with the help of an example. So the input will be given like this. The first line of input is n, which is length of the array or number of elements in the array. So here it is 6. It means array will have 6 elements. And second line will be the array. So you can see here 6 elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now the question is asking that we have to select pairs, different pairs, and that pair should satisfy this equation. And this equation is nothing but it is saying that whatever element you will select in the pair, the sum of the element should be greater than equals to product of the element. That's all. So we have to select all that pair. And one more condition is that the pair should be selected in such a way that index of the second element of the pair should be greater than index of the first element of the pair. So let me make you understand with the help of an example. So I have to select a pair. It means pair means 2 elements I have to select. So let us say the first element I have selected as 3. So 3 comma. Now we want second element. Now that second element should be such that the index of second element should be greater than first element. So the index of 3 is 0. So second element can be either at 1th index or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. So if I have selected this as my first element, so second can be this, 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 this or this. All of these index is greater than first one. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now if I select this as my first element, so second can be only this or this, because index should be greater than this one. I hope it is clear. Now for example purpose, let us say I have selected 3 comma 1. So this and this I have selected as a pair. Now it is saying that after you have selected the pair, it should satisfy the equation this ai plus j aj greater than equals to ai into aj. This should be satisfied, then only we will select that pair. So let us see. So ai plus aj is basically 3 plus 1, and it should be greater than equals to ai into aj, which is 3 into 1. So is it true? Yes, because 3 plus 1 is 4, and obviously 4 is greater than 3. So this pair we will select 1. Okay, this is the first pair we are selecting. So in this way we have to select all these types of pair. Okay, as simple as that. Now we will see how to solve. What should be our approach? So the approach is simple. What we will do, we will generate all the pairs which are possible, and then for each pair we will check this condition. The moment this condition is true, we will increase our count. So let me show you the code in Java. So this is the code all about. So these 2 lines, basically we are taking the input. This we have taken n as input, and this we are taking the array as input. Initially we have initialized the count as equals to 0. Now we are using 2 for loop. we will generate all the pairs and then we will check whether the condition is true or not. We are checking the condition ai plus aj is greater than equals to ai into aj. The moment any pair is satisfying this equation, we will increase the count. You can see count equals to count plus 1. We will increase the count by 1. And in this way, once we are finished with all the pair, we will print this count. That's all. Okay, so I hope it is simple. Okay, so we have to select the pair in this way. So let us do some dry run. So the for loop will work like this. We know that for loop works like this, two for loop. So the outer for loop start with 0. We are starting it with 0 and will go up to n. Inner for loop will be starting with I plus 1. Why? Why I plus 1? Because we want the j to be greater than I. Only then we will select that pair. Okay, so that's why inner for loop will start with j equals to I plus 1. And for all the pairs, we will check this condition. Okay. So initially, outer for loop will have I equals to 0. Inner for loop will have j equals to 1. It means these two elements. And by combining these two, we will get one pair, 3, 4. So see, we are generating pair one by one. So 3, 4 will be first pair. And we will check the condition. That is it 3 plus 4 greater than equals to 3 into 4. We will check condition for each pair. Yeah, so this is false. This is false. So count will not be increased. Now, I will remain at 0 and inner loop will be increased by 1. So j will be now 2. So the new pair will be 3, 4, 1. Okay, because pair is ai, aj. So new pair will be 3, 1. Again we will check the condition 3 plus 1 is greater than equals to 3 into 1 or not. And we can see that this is true. The moment we find that this is true, we will increase the count by 1. Now our count has become 1. It means we got one pair. Okay. Similarly, we will move forward. Now j will come here. J equals to 3. Now our new pair will be 3, 2. Similarly, we will go 3, 6 and then 3, 2. Okay. Once all the j has been completed, I will be increased by 1. So we know how two for loops work. Now I will come here. Now for each I, j will start from here. So next we have pair like 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 6 and then again 4, 2. So we got 4 pair. For each we will check. Now I will come here. Now I will be 2. So if I equals to 2, j will start from 3. So if I is here, now the new pair will be 1, 2, 1, 6, 1, 2. Once it is completed, I will come here. Next pair will be 2, 6, 2, 2. Next I will come here. Next pair will be 6, 2. So in this way we have generated all the pairs, and for each pair we will check the condition that ai plus aj is greater than equals to ai into aj or not. The moment we find the condition to be true, we know that this is our new pair and we will increase the count by 1. Once all the pair has been completed, we will print the count. As simple as that. So I hope it is clear for all of you. Just we are using two for loop and that's all. So let us try to run a few test case. So start with the sample test case 341262. Okay, we got the answer as 6. Try some more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so in this case we got 3 pair. And can you say which all pair are there? So one pair will be 1, 2, one will be 1, 3 and then 1, 4. All will be satisfying the equation. Try some more. So in this case let us provide 2, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in this case we got 0 because no pair is satisfying the equation. So I will put the code in the comment section, copy it and try it yourself and try your own test cases. Okay, so this is all and I hope it is clear. And for last time, let me make some more. Let me revise it. So 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, 2. Now can you say what all, in this case the answer was 6. So can you find out what all pair we are satisfying the equation? So it is simple. One will be 3, 1. You can see 3, 1 is basically 3 plus 1 is 4 at greater than 3 into 1, 3. 1 will be 4, 1 and 1 will be 1, 2. 1 will be 1, 6 and 1, 2. And next pair will be 2, 2. So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 pair are basically satisfying the equation and that's why we got the answer as 6. So in the conclusion, just we are saying that we created all the pairs, whatever are possible, we created all of it and then one by one we checked the condition. The moment the condition was true, then we understood that this is our pair and we increased the count of pair by 1. And pair was created like this. For each element of I, j will start from here. So like 3, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 6 and then 3, 2. This was when I equals to 0. When I equals to 1, so this is the first element. So second element can be this, this, this or this. Similarly, next pair could be either 1, 2, 1, 6, 1, 2. In this way, we generated all the pairs and we checked the condition. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So this is all from my side. And if you have any doubt in any line of the code, you can put it in the comment section. So that's all from my side. Thank you. Thank you guys. Take care.